hustling. Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha! What's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we got a banger daily market update. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. All right. Rumors of Microstrategy selling Bitcoin grow with Tesla's disclosure. But Michael Saylor, he has lightning eyes and diamond hands. He would never sell on the top of the heads of retail. Traders withdraw 3.6 billion in Ethereum from crypto exchanges in the last 17 days. Thank God. Thank God. Get your money off of the exchanges. If you have your money on the exchanges at this point in the bear market, with so many titans falling, with Celsius falling, with Voyager falling, with Three Arrows Capital falling, with yada yada, you just must have it like that, and you want to get robbed. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead, follow me on Twitter. @Gajewskey. Swole is the goal, size is the prize. Robert Kiyosaki warns of the biggest bond crash since 1788, wanting to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. And you know what? I gotta say, I tend to agree with them, because let's look over here at the charts, all right? At the charts from the Roaring 20s, and so many similarities from the Roaring 20s, it's not even funny. But from the Roaring 20s until now, we have almost hit a perfect 4.236 Fibonacci retracement, and that almost perfectly we've hit it, and we're right on top of the support of the C19 sell-off crash. All right, there are so many similarities from the Roaring 20s until now, it's not even funny. All right, well, just to name a few, right? Just to name a few, we have C19, right? Back then it was the Spanish flu. Now we have monkeypox. Back then it was smallpox. There was World War I. Now there are rumors of war. There is a blow off top in the stock market. There's a blow off top in the stock market. Inflation taking us off the gold standard, possibly taking us off the cashless standard. So much similarities, it is not even funny. And look at this cross. Look at this cross right here. This is not good. This is bad. Completely oversold, overbought, I'm sorry. A cross to the downside. This does not look good. Now, these things don't go in a straight line. Maybe we hit some support here, bounce back up and hit a full 4.236 extension, and then come rolling way down. But man, oh man, there is a lot of similarities between the Roaring 20s, the Great Depression, and now. It's very much similarities. Okay, I'll just tell you like this. You can't print. Over the last 2 years, the United States has printed 80% of all the money in history that was ever printed, we printed in the last 2 years. That is not sustainable. No one is going to argue that that is sustainable. All right? Now, if we go over here to crypto bubbles, in the crypto market today is a green day. I still have the same sentiment. I think we are going to rally on back to 38K, 28K, 38K. We're going to rally on back. And then we're going to rally on back here, and then we're going to crash at the end of the Shemitah in November, which could also be the S&P 500. I think the end of this November is going to be big, right around the lunar eclipse. So today is a green day, so enjoy it. If you're up, consider taking a little bit of profit. There's no harm. There's no harm in taking profit, because here's the dirty little trick that no one tells you about. They say this in the bear market. They'll scream this in the bear market. You don't lose if you don't sell. You just lost your ass. If you don't lose, you don't. If you don't sell, you don't lose. I believe this to be true. I believe this to be true. But you know what that means? If that's true, when it goes up, if you don't sell, you don't win either. So take your profits, guys. Take your profits. On the market cap, we're at 1.01 trillion. We're just steady Eddie on top of that 1.01 trillion. Dogecoin is the longer the better strategy, profitable for traders. I think Dogecoin is nonsense. Like, it literally is pets.com. Like, look at this. But if you are going to invest in something, the best thing to do is buy and hold, dollar cost average, wait till a crazy runoff, and then take your profits. That's the strat. Half of South Americans will invest in crypto if the banks will provide such services. And that's the key. Either they're going to or they're going to die. No ifs, ands, buts, or in-betweens. That is their options. They will adapt or they will die. All right, if you guys are new here and you made it this far, we just hit 300 subscribers on YouTube. So because of that, I'm going to be doing a 300 H-bar giveaway. So if you made it this far on the video, comment down H-bar, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be picking one winner to get 300 free H-bar. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing giveaways on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. If you want my exact buy, call, sell, trade alerts, then go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon. You have access to my full portfolio, to books that have changed my life, that have impacted me for the better. Go ahead and subscribe to that. All my links are in the description. All my social medias. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. And subscribe to the channel. But that is it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first.
Day I'm hustling.
It's your boy, Ski.
Hustling.